Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about getting ready for a dinner party at home. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the guests they invite for dinner. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What should you ask your guests before a dinner party? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, our friends Jack and Emma are coming for dinner tonight.
Yes, I am so happy. I want everything to be nice for them.
Me too. Let us make a plan. We do not have much time.
Good idea. First, what about the food?
I think we should order from a catering shop. Cooking for 4 people is a lot of work.
I agree. We can pick up the food later. It will be warm and ready.
Right. Did you ask Jack and Emma about food they do not like?
Yes, I asked them last week. Emma does not eat spicy food.
Good. It is always polite to ask early. Then no one feels uncomfortable.
Exactly. We should also have something to drink, maybe juice and tea.
That sounds good. Not everyone drinks the same thing, so we can offer a few choices.
Perfect. Now, I want to buy some flowers for the table, too.
Nice. Flowers make the room feel warm and friendly.
Should we play some music, too?
Good idea. Soft music makes people feel relaxed.
And I want to bake an apple pie for dessert, too. I love baking.
Your apple pie is the best. Our friends will love it.
Thank you. What time are they coming again?
They will be here at 7 o'clock, so we have about 4 hours.
4 hours is enough if we start now. So, you get the food and I buy the flowers?
Let us go to the shops together first. Then we come home and get ready.
Good plan. We also need clean glasses for everyone.
I will wash them as soon as we get home. We make a good team.
We do. Perfect. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to our flower shop. How can I help you?
Hi, I am having friends for dinner tonight. I want flowers for my table.
That sounds lovely. What colors do you like?
I am not sure. What do you think looks good for a dinner?
Soft colors are nice. White and light pink feel calm and warm.
That I like. Bright red feels a little too strong, maybe.
Yes, red is often for love. For a friendly dinner, soft colors are better.
Then white and pink, please. How many flowers should I buy?
For one table, about 7 or 8 flowers is enough, not too many.
Why not more? I thought more flowers would look better.
If you use too many, people cannot see across the table. A few is just right.
That makes sense. Do these flowers have a strong smell?
No, these have a light smell. A strong smell can be too much during dinner.
Oh, I did not think about that. Can you tell me how to keep them fresh?
Of course. Cut the bottom of each stem. Cut it at an angle, not straight.
At an angle? Why is that?
It helps the flower drink more water, and change the water every day.
Every day. That is easy to remember. How much are they for 8 flowers?
8 flowers will be $16. That's $2 each.
That is fine. Can you add a ribbon around them?
Sure. What color would you like?
A light green ribbon, please. It will match the soft colors.
Great choice. Now let me wrap them for you. Here you go, all wrapped up.
They are beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
Hello, are you picking up an order?
Yes, my name is Ken. I ordered dinner for 4 people.
Let me check. Ken. Yes, here it is. Chicken, rice, and salad for 4.
That is right. Is it ready now?
Yes, it is all ready. We cooked it just a short time ago.
Great. I was worried it might be cold by the time we eat.
Do not worry. We put the hot food in these special bags.
Special bags? How do they work?
They keep the heat inside. Your food will stay warm for about 2 hours.
That is very helpful. What if I want to heat it again at home?
Just put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Do not use high heat.
Low heat for 10 minutes. Got it. Is the salad in here too?
Yes, but the salad is in a separate box. Keep it in a cool place.
Good idea. Cold salad and warm chicken. That is perfect.
One more thing. We added some extra sauce on the side, just in case.
Thank you. Did you remember no spicy food?
Yes, I see the note here. Nothing spicy. Everything is mild.
Great. One of our friends does not eat spicy food.
Then this is perfect for her. How will you pay today?
I will pay by card. How much is it?
It is $60. Would you like some plates and forks too?
No, thank you. We have plates at home for everyone.
Perfect. Then you are all set. Thank you for your order.
Here you are. Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful dinner with your friends.
We're home. Now I can start the apple pie. I will help you. What do we do first?
First, turn on the oven. We need to heat it before we bake.
Why do we heat the oven first? Can we just put the pie in?
Good question. A hot oven cooks the pie well from the start.
I see. So we wait until it is hot enough.
Yes. Now, can you measure 2 cups of flour?
2 cups of flour. Should I be exact?
Yes, please. In baking, the right amount is very important.
Okay, here are 2 cups. What kind of apples are these?
These are sweet apples. Sweet apples are the best for pie.
Good to know. What do we do with them?
We cut the apples into small pieces and add some sugar.
Should I add anything else?
Add a little cinnamon. It gives the pie a warm, sweet smell.
It smells so good already.
Now, we put the pie in the oven and set the timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Why do we use a timer?
So we do not forget. If we wait too long, the pie will burn.
Smart. Can we open the oven to check it?
Try not to open it too much. The heat escapes and the pie cooks slower.
I understand. How do we know when the pie is ready?
When it turns golden brown on top, it is done.
Golden brown. I will watch it through the oven window.
Good, and we can clean up a little while we wait.
Sounds good. I will wash the bowls and spoons.
Thank you. The kitchen smells like a real bakery now.
The pie is in the oven. Now let us set the table.
Yes. Can you put the white plates in the center?
Done. Where do the forks and knives go?
The fork goes on the left. The knife goes on the right.
Left and right. Is there a reason for that?
This is how people usually set a table. It helps everyone feel comfortable.
I see. Where do the glasses go?
Put the glasses above the knife on the right side.
Like this? Okay, it looks neat now. Where should I put the flowers?
In the center of the table, but keep them low.
Low? Why not tall and big?
If the flowers are too tall, people cannot see each other across the table.
That makes sense. We want to talk, not hide behind flowers.
Exactly. Now let us fold the napkins and put one on each plate.
Like this? I'm not very good at folding.
That is fine. A simple fold looks clean and nice.
Okay. Should we add some candles too?
Yes, 2 candles, but we should be careful with the fire.
Right. Keep them away from the flowers and the napkins.
Good. Let us also turn down the lights a little. Soft light is nice for dinner.
The table looks beautiful now.
It does. Everything is ready. They will arrive soon.
Jack, Emma, welcome. Please come in.
Thank you, Mina. Your home looks so nice and warm.
Thank you. I am so glad you both came. Come in, come in.
This is for you. We brought a small box of chocolates.
Oh, how kind. Thank you so much. They look lovely.
We were not sure what to bring, so we picked something simple.
It is perfect. A small gift always makes the host happy.
I'm happy to hear that. Where should I put my coat?
Let me take your coats. I will hang them by the door.
Thank you. Should we take off our shoes?
Yes, please. We take off our shoes inside the house. Here are some slippers.
Thank you. It smells wonderful in here. Is someone baking?
Yes, I made an apple pie for dessert. Ken is in the kitchen now.
An apple pie? Now I'm really hungry.
Then you came at the right time. Please make yourself at home.
Thank you. You're a wonderful host, Mina.
That is very kind. Can I get you something to drink?
Some water would be great, thank you.
Of course. We also have juice and tea if you like.
Water is perfect for now. Maybe tea after dinner.
Sounds good. Please have a seat on the sofa.
Thank you. Your living room is so comfortable.
I am happy you think so. Dinner will be ready in a few minutes.
Wonderful. It already feels like a special evening.
Come, let us sit down together with the others.
After you. This is going to be a lovely evening.
Everyone, the food is ready. Please sit down and eat.
This looks amazing, Ken. Thank you for inviting us.
We are so happy you came. Let us raise our glasses.
A toast to good friends and good food.
To good friends. Now, please try the chicken.
It is delicious. Did you cook all of this?
No, we ordered the main food from a catering shop.
That is a smart idea, so you had time to relax with us.
Exactly. Cooking for 4 can take all day.
I feel the same way when I have guests. It is a lot of work.
Right. This way we can enjoy the evening together.
The flowers on the table are beautiful too.
Mina chose them today. She picked soft colors for dinner.
They are perfect, and something smells sweet. Is that dessert?
Yes, we made the dessert ourselves.
I cannot wait. What is it?
Mina baked an apple pie. Here it is, still warm.
It smells wonderful. It tastes even better.
I'm glad you like it. Have another piece.
I would love to, but I am so full. Maybe a small one.
There is always room for more pie.
You are right. It is too good to say no.
Next time, you should come earlier and help us cook.
I would love that. I want to learn how to make this pie.
Mina will be happy to teach you. She loves baking.
Then it is a plan. This was such a lovely evening.
Time went by so fast. Thank you both for coming.
Thank you for having us. Let us do this again soon.
For sure. Get home safely. Good night.
Good night. Thank you again.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What should you ask your guests before a dinner party? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.